Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Google Sites. We'll use Google Forms to make the quiz and then embed it directly into your site. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. Once you're there, select Blank Quiz. Click the title at the top and give your quiz a name, for example, Math Quiz, to keep everything organized. Now it's time to add questions. Click on the question area and type your first question. You can choose different question types like multiple choice or short answer, depending on what you want to ask. For multiple choice questions, list all possible answers. Click Add option to add more choices. Once your questions are ready, click the preview icon to see how the quiz will look to your visitors. Make any adjustments if needed. When everything looks good, click Publish. This saves your quiz and gets it ready to embed on your site. Next, open your Google site in edit mode. Go to the Insert panel and select Forms. Find the quiz you just created. Click Insert and it will appear on your page. Adjust its placement to your liking. And that's it. Your quiz is now live and ready for visitors to take. It's a great way to engage your audience and make your site more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.